Guys, I visited a BTech college and there I asked them to choose among iPhone or Android, and also I asked them the reason why they chosen that one. You're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. Android versus iPhone. Which one you choose?
I choose iPhone.
iPhone, bro.
I choose Android.
I choose iPhone, bro.
Android, bro.
I choose definitely Android. Android, bro.
Why?
Because iPhone have a very great security than Android.
Because I totally linked up with Android. It is difficult to use iPhone.
It is low budget and user friendly. And its camera quality is very nice.
You have said that you want security. How much you have in your bank account?
I have just 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
Though iPhone has many features, but its cost is too high. There are some brands like Realme, Poco, which provides us in the low cost.
In the Poco, you may see that camera dead.
No man, it was a MIUI software. It feel good.
Just because of security.
Security. How much you have in your bank account?
1600 rupees.
Who the fuck are you? There is not much in my bank account present. Maybe in future it may be someone else.
User friendly, and also it very good qualities in iPhone, like camera. Camera quality is very high.
Okay.
But I choose Android mostly.
Why?
Because I always love to play games. So iPhone is very suitable for playing online games like PUBG.
Android has so many features when compared to the iPhone. When choosing the Android, we can edit online PDFs and we turn on the VPN. We travel America and something countries to see for some entertainment.
But
Because of so many apps are free and available in the Play Store as compared to the iPhone.
in that so many are scrap, no?
In Play Store, some scrap and some useful apps. Particularly, we take scrap as scrap only. Useful as take useful apps.
Okay. You can use VPN, no, in Android.
No, I don't need any VPNs and I don't need any scraps. I use the least amount of apps. So iPhone is better for me.
Okay.
Only people who can play can understand the gameplay, bro. When we are playing in Android phones, we get some lag and some other disturbances. But when iPhone, you don't get any lag or something. And the main thing, the security, bro.
Okay. You want security.
Security. It gives more security other than any Android devices.
To secure your photos and personal data from outer hackers, right?
Yes. Just because of personal data.
Okay. So you don't want security.
Security, Android also providing security, but not much like iPhone. But it's okay about Android.
Performance-wise, iPhone is better. If you want to show off, you have to buy iPhone. Most of the people
You
always
want that bited Apple logo, right?
see this boy. He lost this one of his kidney. You
No,
don't,
it's too much. Now it's 1.6 lakhs, no?
we don't need that type of cost. I actually need 60 or 70, bro. It's enough for playing.
Amazon and Flipkart deals. So in that you can get an iPhone for budget-friendly amount, right?
If it comes, then we are happy, bro.
Okay.
Our budget.
We don't sell our kidney actually.
Actually, I want to sell his chain.
As a boy, I don't need so many pictures, selfies, and I don't play games. I am not interested in for mobiles. Just for searching Google for my campus. So that's it.
Because iPhone has security features.
He uses iPhone. His girlfriend uses iPhone.
The system can process very fastly than Android.
What you are using now, Android or iPhone?
Always using Android.
GT Master Edition.
Android.
Android.
I just using Oppo
Android
mobile.
Guys, you have listened all the students' opinion about iPhone versus Android and their chosen devices and their ideal reasons for that. Guys, if you ask me, then I choose Android because it was user friendly, and guys, as a techie I use so many free softwares and applications, third party applications in my device. I want to use them, but I can't do that in iPhone, so I choose Android. And not only that, in Android, the accessories and service center charges were pretty low, but in iPhone you can't buy all its accessories. It was pretty costly. Guys, service charges in the iPhone is too high. Guys, recently my 12 Pro Max was broken and the back panel was brutally broken. It looks like a Spider-Man web, nice texture, but I can't use that like that. So I visited a Apple service center. They said me it cost you 40k rupees. Seriously, 40,000 rupees for the back broken glass and the frame? Frame was good, but they are changing in the combo. Why? I don't understand. It was totally fine with the frame. With that amount, I can buy a new device, so I came back. Guys, if you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me dislike. But let me know in the comment section below what's the reason behind that dislike, and I'll improve my videos, future videos. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.
Subscribe to. Please subscribe to MrTechie.